everyone. Happy Sunday, happy Easter. So it's time for a very special episode of Pajama Gàidhlig where I am going to teach you some Easter related phrases in Gaelic, some important ones that you might have the chance to use today. So the first word I'm going to teach you is very simply how to say Easter in Gaelic, and the way that you say that is a chashk. So that's a chashk. And just as an aside, as I was studying Easter today, I actually learned that the word Easter comes from Ostada, or Ostere, and she apparently was the Anglo-Saxon goddess of the dawn. So that's an interesting little fun fact for you. So that's where the origin of the word comes from. So that's a chashk. Another word that I taught you before that I'm sure you're going to be using today is the word chocolate. So I'm sure you're going to be eating lots of that today, as I know I will be. So that's chocolate or chocolate, chocolate. And then I think it's very important that we learn how to say bunny or rabbit. So that's cynyanach. So cynyanach is your word for rabbit, cynyanach. And then if you want to say Easter rabbit, you would say cynyanach nakashka. So that's cynyanach nakashka. That's Easter rabbit. And then another good word to know for Easter, I think, is the word oo, and that's egg. So oo is egg, oo. And then if you want to say Easter eggs, you would say uyen nakashka. Uyen nakashka. So that's Easter eggs. So I think I'll wrap it up again with just how to say Easter in Gaelic is a chashk. And I hope you all have a wonderful Easter. And just on a personal note, I have a bit of a beef with the Easter Bunny because I learned and remembered today that I used baby bottles till apparently a little bit too late in life, and so then the Easter Bunny came in and took my bottles and gave them to her children in the forest. And since then I've kind of had a rather deep running animosity for the Easter Bunny and what she did to me. And so I was curious if any of you